Hello and welcome to this video where we look at NewsWhip Sheets, which is the Google Sheets add-on for NewsWhip Spike. This addition is a quick and easy way to bring the power of NewsWhip's data directly into your spreadsheet workflows. All you really need to get started is access to NewsWhip Spike and a Google account. So, how does it work? Well, let's say you have a bundle of links you want reviewed for either your own web content, for competitor analysis, or for tracking performance on behalf of your client. Of course, the public interaction metrics can be found for each article in Spike, but this could be a slow and manual process. Well, with NewsWhip Sheets, you are able to pull data like Facebook interactions and Twitter shares for each URL with a single click. Let's take a look at how to get started. First, you can search and install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace directly or from within Sheets. You will need to sign in or be signed into your Google account to install this. You don't need to use Google Chrome as your browser, but it might make things slightly quicker. This add-on will be linked to this Google account, so in future, if you have issues, you might need to switch account or install it again. You will also need to grant NewsWhip access to your account, but this is only so the data can be pulled into Sheets. We only record any input such as Spike details, URLs, or keywords. All other data is private. We then just need to open a fresh Sheets file and get to work. For this demo, I've selected 30 links from the BBC website, but you'll be able to paste in your own. The add-on can be found and accessed from the Extensions tab, and it will open from the panel on the right-hand side. The first step is to configure the sheet. The add-on offers some default headers which can be assigned to each column. I've pasted the URLs into column A, so I'll keep that there. I'll select Headline next as column B. Once enabled, the headline data will be pulled from NewsWhip Spike and populated in this column for each row. This will be the case for all the others as well. So date for column C and Facebook interactions for column D. You can also add some more options, although as you can see, some of these were sunsetted by Facebook, although the predicted interaction metric is available. In this case, I'll just add Twitter shares to column E, and I'll also choose to add a direct link to Spike for column F. These headers can then be added quickly above row 1 or wherever you choose with a simple click. I'll tweak these slightly before quickly getting on to the main event, which is pulling the data from the URLs. I just need to drag and select all the URLs, go to the third tab and click on the Get Data button. And now we watch the magical waterfall flow down from above. I can now tweak the sheets to my liking, including some conditional formatting for the two columns of data I'm really interested in. I'll add some blue for Facebook and some yellow for Twitter. And I'll choose to sort by the former in a descending order. There is also the option to search by keyword or source directly from Sheets with the add-on. I'll remove the data but keep the formatting and choose to search for Elon Musk, since the man is never out of the news these days. I'll keep all the default settings, but they can be changed. And there we go. I've now searched directly from Spike and the data is now in my formatted Sheets file. I would say the second option is less used these days due to the improvements of Spike dashboards for real-time monitoring, but it can be useful. And of course, you can choose to look at each link directly in Spike if you want. That's it. I hope this add-on can save you some time. Thanks for watching.